What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to install a slick plug on the 2010 to 2014 BMW s1000rr. There is going to be two T25 bolts to take off the seat when you peel this back right here and here. After you unscrew the bolts, they're kind of long, just pop off the seat. Next, after your seat is off, there is two bolts you're going to need to take out. There's the bolt that is right there. I already took it out, and another bolt right here. Next, there's going to be this little black thing that's going to be probably zip tied to this bracket right over here. So you just have to get a little thing like scissors or something just to cut the zip tie. And then basically this thing right here, you have to push down on that tab on the back part and pull off the cap. I already have it pulled out, but it's going to be a little tough the first time, but it comes out and you can see it exposes a plug right there. Here's how the slick plug looks. It's really just a resistor for the most part, but if you get the one, the actual slick plug, it has a connector which will connect to this part right here, and it will hold the wiring and everything into place nicely. So you can see there's a certain little orientation with those two knobs, or those two little things sticking up in the button. That will go the same way as you took off the cap. You can see there's only a certain way that it will go. So you just plug that in, and then literally this little black bracket will slide down right on there, and you push it into place. So let me go install that now, and then I'll show you on the dash. Actually, before I plug it in, I'll show you on the dash that I only have a certain amount of modes on here. So you got just rain, sport, and race. Once you put that slick chip in, you'll be able to get the slick, which will turn off the traction control and the wheelie control and all that. I feel like the wheelie control on these bikes this year is a little too much in my opinion. But let me go install that, and I'll show you that, it adds that last mode to it. All right, so the slick chip is installed. You can see it's connected to that part right over there. So that's nice and snug now, and it will hold it in place. You don't want to change the height of where this plug is. As you can see, it's basically a little bit lower than the gas tank, which is needed for the seat. So we'll keep that like that. And now you'll see when I turn this thing on, we'll be able to check that other mode. So rain, sport, race, and slick. And now she is on slick mode, which is a great thing to have because, like I said, I think the wheelie control is a little bit much on this thing. It just kills it when you don't want it to. So very quick and easy. This slick plug is cheap from BMW. I think it's probably like 50 bucks or something like that, or it's something like that. But anyway, I got it from my friend for free because he had it on his old bike that got totaled and he wasn't using it. So a big shout out to him. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. But yeah, so that's how you do it. It's a very simple process. Then obviously you just put your two bolts back in, put your seat on, make sure it's tight and down, and you are good to go. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video.